Hello everybody, welcome to this video. So this is just a instructional video for those who are playing on Leeches for the first time. So in this video, I'll cover three things. First, a few things about the tournament itself, like what are the details, how will be the time control, how many rounds, how much time will the tournament go on for, etc. Second, how to join the tournament and have your name in the starting lineup. And third, what to do to play in the tournament. Like at the tournament start time, what should you do to play the first round and so on. So about the tournament, it is just a casual tournament to help everyone get the experience of playing in tournaments. It's like a vacation tournament where you can play for fun and have some experience playing tough games. So during the vacation, during Christmas, there'll be three tournaments in classical format. Classical format as in long time. There is a tournament on 24th for beginners. So let me just update the time first. The tournament will be starting at 1:30 p.m. All the three tournaments. So basically, there is a tournament on 24th for beginners. All those who are rated below 600, who are in the beginner level, like in chess.com, will be eligible to play in the beginners tournament. Intermediate and advanced and super advanced cannot play in this one. This is just for beginners. So it will be for 7 rounds. And the same thing applies to the next two tournaments. 26th, there will be a tournament for intermediates. Same starting time, 1:30 p.m. And on 28th for advanced and super advanced students. So basically, a beginner can participate in all the three tournaments if he want, if he or she wants to. An intermediate can participate in intermediate tournament or in the advanced and super advanced tournament, and that's how it works. So you cannot play in a tournament that's below your level, basically. Now there will be 7 rounds, 7 games. All the players play all the 7 games. The time, whether you win or lose, it doesn't matter. Like even if you lose, you can play the next round and the next round and all the 7 rounds. At the end of 7 rounds, based on your scores in all the 7 games, there'll be a table and the top three will be the winners. That's how the format will be. Now, time control. The time for each game is 10 plus 5. 10 minutes on the clock at the start, and with every move, 5 seconds get added. 5 seconds increment. And there is no specific round start time. Like the first round will be at 1:30 p.m. And once all the games in the first round finishes, there'll be a 1 minute gap, and then the second round will start. So we cannot exactly tell when the second round will start. We cannot say like 2 o'clock second round. We cannot say like that. Depends on when the first round games get over. So because the time control is 10 plus 5, generally the first round would take, any round would take around 20 minutes, maximum half an hour to get over. So for all the 7 rounds to get over, it will take around 2 hours, you could say. So if the tournament starts at 1:30, it will probably end at around 3:30. Everyone plays all the 7 rounds. If at all you're not able to play in any of the rounds, you can withdraw for a bit and then join back. It's okay if you cannot play a round or two. That's completely up to you. But everyone can play all the 7 rounds, irrespective of whether you win or lose. Now, so that's about the tournament. Second, how to join the tournament. To join the tournament, I have sent a link to join the club. If you're not part of the SKB Chess Club, you won't be able to play. So first, you have to join the SKB Chess Club, SKB Chess Players Club. If you click on the link that's given, it will take you to the SKB Chess Club page, where you have to just click on join the club. I'll see the request and I'll approve it. I'll see it like this. I'll click on accept and you'll be in the club. Once you're in the club, the next step is to go to the tournament. You can either do that by coming to the club page, which you can find in community and teams, and clicking on the tournament you want to play in. And then you just have to enter the password. Password for beginners tournament is beginner, sorry. The password for intermediate tournament is intermediate, and so for advanced tournament, just advanced. So that's how you can join, or you can directly click on the link that I provided in the group. It will take you directly to the tournament page, which is this, and there you have to click on join. So this step you have to do before the tournament itself, not at the round start time. If you log in at 1:30 and then click on join, you'll be already too late for the first round. So these two steps, joining the club, joining the team, and then joining the tournament, should happen before 1:30. Like even today, anytime before the round starts, you should have done these two steps. Once you do those two steps, your name will be showing up in the starting lineup. So that's how you can join the tournament. Third thing, what to do at round start time at 1:30 tomorrow, like on 24th. What should the people playing in the tournament do? You have to just come to the tournament page. The games will automatically start. How do you come to the tournament page? You have to come to community, teams, and then you will see your team here, SKV Chess Players. Click on that. You will see the list of tournaments. Click on the tournament you're playing. Your name will already be there if you have already joined. And then you just have to stay online there. At 1:30, you should be logged in and be online on the tournament page. If you're there, the games will automatically start. And once the game gets over, you'll be taken back to this page itself, which will show the ongoing games, the standings. You can see all the details about the tournament on the go on this page. So after 7 rounds, after each round, you can see the standings. After each round, there'll be a gap of 1 minute before the next round starts. At the end of 7 rounds, at the end of the tournament, you'll see the final standings here on the tournament page, and the top 3 players will be winning the prizes. If you have any more questions, please let me know. I'll respond to that. Good luck to everyone, especially those who are playing in a tournament for the first time, especially the beginners who are playing in the beginners tournament. Take your time. It's 10+5. So use your time properly. Do not play fast. Do not panic. Play calmly, and you will be having a good tournament. Good luck, everybody.